Alright, so to set this camera up is pretty simple. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store. So go to your app store, and you want to search for Tuya. I believe it's Tuya. Tuya Smart, right there. And I've downloaded it once already, but yeah. So you download that. Okay. Boom. Done downloading. Open. This is kind of annoying. So you don't allow. I would say don't allow. It's up to you what you want to do. Go to the. Here, click try now. And then here, if you don't want to sign up, just do try as a guest. Continue. It's going to kind of walk you through the home screen. You got it. All right, I'll put my phone down. And then I'm going to go to plug this in. I'm going to plug in the camera. Like so. Just plug this guy in. You guys see that? Plug it in. All right. So after you plug it in, go back to the app. Plus the plus button, add device. You can read this stuff if you want to. Push continue. I'm just gonna allow once. Allow.
Waiting.
Allow. There is the camera. I'm gonna skip this because I don't want to have to set up the account. And then I have to put my password in. So I'm gonna go away and come back.
Waiting to connect.
And we're good to go.
Waiting to connect.
All right, so I put my password in.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
So it's connecting right now.
Wi-Fi is connected. Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
And that is it. And the camera is working. There I go right there. You can move the camera around, put this down here so you can see that it's working. All right, stay tuned so I can show you guys the installation. You guys take it easy. Bye-bye.